Hey, Camry and Layden, I've got a new book for us this week. Excuse me. And it's titled Butterflies. Hopefully, you guys have gotten to go outside lately. And if you have, there's been a lot of these tent caterpillars around. I think, unfortunately, they don't turn into butterflies, they turn into moths. But hopefully, you've maybe seen some other caterpillars. I've seen some people that have found some monarch butterfly caterpillars around too. So, all we're going to do today is just kind of take a picture walk and see what's going on in the pictures here. So here, what do you notice? You notice about this butterfly. Did you notice the little dots right here? They kind of look like eyes. All right, let's see the next page. Ah, this is very interesting. What do you think is going on here? Do you think maybe this might be an egg? And look at all what looks like spikes on this caterpillar. Kind of scary looking. Ah, and there are those caterpillars. What's happening to the leaves, do you notice? Kind of looks like they're awful hungry. Oh, look at this guy. Very interesting. Looks like we have eyes here. These kind of almost look like eyes too. I don't know if I was a bird if I'd want to eat that caterpillar because it looks kind of scary. Ah, and here we have that chrysalis. That caterpillar has formed this chrysalis, getting ready to become a butterfly. Did you notice that it's kind of green like the plant that it's on? Ah, now you can see that chrysalis has changed colors and you can see the butterfly inside. What are you seeing here? Definitely, I see those butterflies coming out of that chrysalis. What about this thing here? What do you think this is? Very interesting. Alright, still got those butterflies out. What I noticed is this wing looks kind of crumpled up compared to this one. I wonder when we read if we'll find out about what that is going on. Alright. Here's a very interesting butterfly, lots of colors. Did you notice about what it looked like eyes here? Big eyes, almost. Very interesting. And here's a different butterfly. This one has some different colors. Looks like some almost like little stripes. Ooh, what are you thinking about this one? Did you think it looked like a leaf? That's what I was thinking. Oh, and these are really brightly colored. And you notice this interesting plant that they're on. I really like the blue. I wonder what you think. And we have another butterfly. This one's a little bit more yellow. What do you notice about this wings? Did you notice it's like almost you can see through it like a window? And did you notice the antennas? That's a really good picture. And here, kind of up close on the front of its body here. Look at all those legs. Can you count and see how many legs there are? I bet we'll read about how many there are. This one's very interesting too. Its body looks pretty fuzzy. Ah. What do you notice on the leaves? Are you thinking those are eggs too? These look like more eggs. They're so tiny. Can you imagine all of those hatching and how many caterpillars that would be? Alright, so that's about our book, Butterflies. So I'm going to read it for you today, and then we'll take a closer look at it later on. Butterflies. Butterflies are insects. Butterflies hatch from eggs. They begin life as caterpillars. Caterpillars eat leaves all day long. They grow quickly. Caterpillars outgrow their skin and shed it many times. Could you imagine if you change your skin? That would be weird. A full-grown caterpillar forms a shell around its body. It is called a chrysalis. Its body changes inside the chrysalis. The caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Soon the butterfly pushes out of the chrysalis. It waits for its wet wings to dry, then it can fly. Butterflies have a narrow body and 4 wings. Tiny colored scales cover each wing. They form patterns. Some butterflies are brown or gray. They can look like leaves. Some butterflies have bright colors. Bright colors show birds a butterfly is bad to eat. Butterflies eat nectar from flowers. Nectar gives them energy for flying. Butterflies use their antennas to smell. This is how they find nectar. All insects have 6 legs. Butterflies can taste nectar with the tips of their legs. Butterflies have a mouth shaped like a straw. They drink nectar through it. Butterflies lay eggs on leaves. They make a sticky liquid that holds the eggs to the leaves. Soon new caterpillars will hatch from the eggs. And that is the end. Hope you enjoyed this book nonfiction book on butterflies.